We spent today with family, so here's an opportunity to look back on all the waterfalls that we've seen so far. The adventure continues. Hopkins Falls, at 90 metres or 100 yards, is one of the widest falls in Victoria. We're starting our exploration of the Grampians National Park here at Mackenzie Falls, which at least are flowing. Since you can only see the top of the falls from the official viewing platform, it was time to send up the drone. Mackenzie Falls is the largest in the Grampians. Well, I'm sure Wannon Falls are spectacular when they're running, with headwaters in the Grampian Mountains, but right now it's a bit dull, and that is probably why there are no other people here but us. If it were running, it would look like this footage from 4K Australia's channel on YouTube. As the rain hit, we left Victor Harbour for Hindmarsh Falls. But the drought made them a little less than spectacular. A short hour-and-a-half drive, and we turned off the main road towards the Davies River Falls, and this beautiful landscape caught my eye. Then it was about 5 miles or 8 kilometres of dirt road to reach the car park for the falls. We headed off through the untouched Australian bush towards the noise. The first of the falls on the loop is the Mila Falls, and they are conveniently close to the road. The path down was steep, but once down, you were there. The next falls on the circuit are the Zilly Falls. We'll check it out. Well, that's disappointing. Let's put up a drone. So will we get to see Alinja Falls directly, or will we be putting the drone up in the air again? Again, a steep path down, but we were rewarded with a glimpse of the waterfall about halfway down. When we got there, it did not disappoint. We stopped at Barron Falls Station for a clear view of Barron Falls, which dropped down 265 metres. That's 870 feet straight down. Before we head home today, we're at Butterroom Forest Park, and we're going to take a short walk, as in like a long walk, up to a waterfall because we haven't seen enough waterfalls. Yet another waterfall, Minion Falls in Nightcap National Park. It could be good. I was holding the iPhone particularly tightly as that's a very steep drop off and enough to set my vertigo off. I can't imagine what this would look like in full wet season when there's a torrent of water over the edge. Again, the view is spectacular. Another little unplanned stop at Ebon Falls. We saw the sign, we followed the sign, and let's see what we saw.